तुम कंफ्यूज होते रहोगे. Hello, Usha here from TaxBuddy. Let's talk about old tax regime and new tax regime. In old tax regime, you can claim all the deductions with older tax slab rates. Whereas in new tax regime, you cannot claim the deductions except a very few of them. Old tax slab rates are higher than the new tax slab rates. Here are the old tax slab rates. There are three bifurcations according to the age group. Age lesser than 60, age equal to or lesser than 80, and third is age more than or equal to 80. There is no tax up to rupees 2.5 lakhs for the first age group. For the second age group, there is no tax up to rupees 3 lakhs. And for the third age group, there is no tax up to rupees 5 lakhs. That is for the super senior citizens. 5% tax for 2.5 to 5 lakhs for age group of 60. Rupees 3 to 5 lakhs for the second age group. 20% tax for all the age groups who are falling under the category of rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. And all the age groups who will be falling under this category of income greater than 10 lakhs will have to pay 30% of the tax. Talking about the new tax regime, here are the tax slab rates. Here there are no different age groups. People from any age fall into the same category. Up to rupees 2.5 lakhs, there is no tax. From rupees 2.5 lakh to 5 lakhs, there is 5% of tax. From rupees 5 to 7.5 lakhs, there is 10% of tax. People falling into the category of 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs will have to pay 15% tax and so on. If you see in the new tax slab rates, there is a 5% increase in every slab rate. In the new tax regime, no other deductions are allowed except for these. First, deduction of employer's contribution towards the pension fund. Second, deduction of interest paid on let out property. Third, deduction in respect of employment of new employees for business people. If your tax saving investments are low, then opt for new tax regime. In case of high investments, go for the old tax regime. Don't compare based on your income. Compare after deducting tax saving investments. Check which regime works the best for you. One can change the type of regime at the time of filing every year. There is an exception for business and professionals. They can change the type of regime only once in their whole lifetime. Use TaxBuddy's old versus new tax regime calculator to calculate your taxes. We also have a detailed webinar on old versus new tax regime. You can find the link of the calculator and the webinar in the description below. Now you know how to choose a regime that works best for you. Stay tuned to TaxBuddy for more such content.